Yeah, I got a question that's been on my mind. What if Jesus scrolled through my music? Would he hit skip or would he vibe? Let's talk about it. I got trappies bumping when I'm rolling through the city. Got that gospel on repeat when I'm feeling extra spiritual. But in between the songs I glorify the things I'm fighting. And I wonder what would Jesus think if he could hear them all. Hey, I claim I'm different but my playlist tells another story. Got worship songs on Sunday, then the world Monday morning. I'm streaming tracks about the money, about the flex of fame. They switch to praise and worship like I'm playing some kind of game. But what if Jesus really saw what I consume? The lyrics that I'm feeding to my heart inside my room. Would he see a follower, someone lost in contradiction, living double-minded with a spiritual addiction? Sounding holy in the church, but worldly in the streets, having one foot in the kingdom while the other one competes. A culture that opposes everything he came to teach. Man, I gotta ask myself, what message do I preach? With every song I play, with every artist that I stream, am I building up my faith or am I tearing at the seams? Cause music is a language that speaks straight into the soul. And what I let inside my ears affects my self-control. If Jesus had my playlist, would he recognize a son? Or would he see a house divided, a battle not yet won? I gotta check my heart, check what I'm letting in. Cause the soundtrack of my life should glorify him. If Jesus had my playlist, what would he find? Songs that build his kingdom or just noise or pass the time? Would he see a worshiper or someone playing both sides? I gotta clean up what I'm streaming, let his truth be my guide. If Jesus had playlist, would I be ashamed of the messages I'm feeding to my mind day after day? It's time to be intentional with every single choice. Cause what I listen to will shape my heart and voice. Now I'm not saying every song gotta be a worship track, or that we can't appreciate the art of where it's at. But I am saying we should guard what enters through our ears. Cause slowly, subtly, music shapes our values through the years. I used to think it didn't matter, it's just entertainment, right? But then I noticed how those lyrics stay with me at night. How they influence my decisions, my perspective, what I chase. How the world's philosophy was taking up too much space. In my mind where Christ should be residing on the throne. Instead I'm memorizing verses from rappers in the zone who don't know Jesus, who promote a lifestyle that's opposed to everything the Bible says about the path I chose. So now I'm getting more selective, more intentional with my sound. Asking, does this build me up or does this tear me down? Not being legalistic, just being wise and aware. Why would I feed my spirit matters? I gotta handle it with care. Cause if Jesus walked with me and heard what's playing in my headphones, would he be proud of what I'm listening to? Would he feel alone in a space that should be sacred, in a heart that claims his name but sounds more like the culture than someone who's been changed? It's not about perfection, it's about intention and direction. Am I moving toward the world or toward his resurrection? Every song's a seed that's planted in the garden of my mind, and eventually that harvest will show up in my life. So I'm checking my Spotify, I'm checking Apple Music too. I'm asking, does it sound of God or does it lay me from the truth? And if it doesn't build my faith, if it tears on what he's built, then maybe it's time to delete it, maybe it's time to quit. Filling up my mind with messages that contradict my mission. I'm on a journey till it'll be more like Christ. It takes a clear decision. Guard my heart, to guard my ears, to guard what influences me. Because I wanna be a vessel that reflects his purity. If Jesus had my playlist, what would he find? Songs that build his kingdom or just noise to pass the time? Would he see a worshiper or someone playing both sides? I gotta clean up what I'm streaming, let his truth be my guide. If Jesus had playlist, would I be ashamed of the messages I'm feeding to my mind day after day? It's time to be intentional with every single choice. Cause what I listen to will shape my heart and voice. Yeah, it shapes my heart and voice. Yeah, it shapes my heart and voice. My perspective and my choice. To follow him with everything, or let the world make all the noise. When the world is sleeping, I'm wide awake. These are the hours when my soul breaks, but you're still listening. You always are. Yeah. It's 3 a.m. and I can't close my eyes again. Thoughts racing like a battlefield inside my head, no end. The silence is so loud, it's almost deafening. But in the quiet, I can hear you beckoning. I pour my heart out in the darkness of my room, wrestling with my worries underneath the moon. Nobody knows the weight I carry when the light
Testing, testing, testing. See if my sound is coming through.
About the things I can't say in a day. The fears that paralyze me, the doubts that won't go away. The dreams that feel impossible, the pain that won't subside. You're the only one who sees the tears I try to hide. These midnight conversations keep me holding on. When everything around me tells me something's wrong, you meet me in the insomnia, in the restless night. And somehow in the darkness you become my light. I tell you about my struggles, about the battles that I face, about feeling inadequate, like I'm running the wrong race. But you remind me gently that your grace is enough, that even in my weakness you're making me tough. When the world is quiet and I'm all alone, you're the voice that tells me I am not on my own. In the stillness of the night, you draw near, and suddenly my 3 a.m. becomes crystal clear. I still talk to God at 3 a.m. when my soul is weary and I need a friend. When the weight of the world is crushing my chest, He's the peace that comes when I can't find rest. I still talk to God at 3 a.m. when anxiety's knocking and won't let me in. When I'm tired of pretending that I'm holding it together, He's the anchor in the storm, my hope forever. There's something sacred about these hours before dawn, when it's just me and Jesus and the darkness isn't gone. No distractions, no performance, no facade to maintain, just a broken heart before a God who feels my pain. I confess my deepest secrets, the ones I'm scared to speak, the addictions I still battle, the ways I still feel weak, the anger that I harbor, the bitterness I hide, the jealousy and pride that war deep inside. But you don't condemn me, you just listen and receive.
All right, let's go ahead and. Yesterday was an inside day. There were some shorts that looked pretty good at London session. That was okay. All right. Market opens soon.
That whispers I am with you and I'll never let you go. In the watches of the night you're watching over me. You're the shepherd who stays awake so his sheep can sleep in peace. And though I'm
What's up? Good morning.
resting in your care,
Hey, what's up, man?
How you feeling?
Feeling good.
All right.
Feeling good. I'm just marking up charts right now. I think I found a way to change my settings where I can stream and then not take up so much computer power. Actually, so happy about that. I am streaming right now. All right.
Which one are you streaming on? When you say streaming, is that like
YouTube?
Oh, okay. Does it stream just you, or does it stream everybody in the group?
Well, it depends on. I could do it either way. So I do. When I say I'm streaming, I am streaming the sound of you guys. I used to do it where Yeps can show his face, and the other dude that was with us, he can show his face too. So if you guys ever want your face on there, I can go ahead and add it. I'll just send you guys a link, and then it just uses your video camera on your computer. So I can do that. But right now, it's just me. So that's up to you guys if you guys want to do that. But I do stream the sound as well. But if there's any time that you guys are sharing something that I think might be sensitive, I can just turn off the sound.
Got
You
it.
know, where it can just only take me, or I just mute myself as well as you guys. So it just kind of depends. Yeah.
Wild stuff, man.
Yeah, man. Yesterday was just a inside day. Didn't really go in there. Like I see a lot of people chatting that it was bad, but you know, it was some short scalps. If you wasn't looking for a big move, there was definitely some decent trades. Hey, there's my guy. Um,
Yo, morning guys. Sorry, was doing something.
you good? But yeah. So yesterday was a decent day for scalps. It wasn't not if you was looking for like some long-term move, you know. But if you took partials, got out, didn't keep trying, um, that's the way to. It was the best trade was actually in London. None of us was up for that. I think Severus Senior. But looking at the
I
charts to
actually disagree with that. If I didn't have those two previous losses, it was a normal. It would have been a normal day for me. The same 5 minute setup that I told you about, that you
hmm
said that that 945 candle was not the end market structure shift or break of
hmm
market structure, which it was. It held throughout the entire day. So if that was my first trade, I would have made over 100 points.
that it wasn't nice price action. It did hold though. It did. Um,
And that was my motto. I just didn't trade it because I already took two losses prior to that. But I saw it clear as day. But of course, that doesn't count. I don't care how much anybody sees something. If you don't execute it, it doesn't mean much. Um,
gotcha.
so that's all.
There was a slight, very slight SMT in London where it took previous day's high, but not sure how much stock there is into that simply because yesterday was an inside day, and so far today is as well. So it would be the same approach. Um, Look for something minimal, a target, and then go from there. Um, Let me see. Once market opened in about 8 minutes, it looked like it'll be a gap up from yesterday's close, which is at 236. It looked like we're in an area where we're gonna touch Monday's market close, which we did not touch yesterday, and that's at 24,412. So, just a waiting game right now. Um, like price retracing to a 15-minute fair value gap and it's headed down. So we'll see if it gives us another inside day like yesterday or it decides it want to move. There is no news, so I'm inclined to think that not to have high expectations once again. But anytime I can take a short setup, I just think overall the market's still bearish no matter how much it goes up. So anytime there's a short setup, I'm looking to take that. Any thoughts by anybody else?
Same thing. I think price is just gonna continue heading down right out open.
Okay.
The SMT at London and it's slightly above midnight, so I do think it's just gonna run straight down for London lows. There's a small chance that it just might wick slightly higher to create a 1 minute SMT, but I'm not banking on that.
Gotcha.
I think it just drives down. But these crooks, man. Push price, freaking how many points?
Oh yeah,
300 points.
that thing skyrocketed right at the close of the day.
I hate them for that.
Morning, yo.
What's up?
What's
What's
up,
up?
bro? There's way too many insider trading. There was an analyst in the SEC. Oh, oof, that's a lot of feedback. There was an analyst within the SEC that started looking into the price action from yesterday. Hey, not price action. from Monday at 7 a.m. the tweet that or whatever false social that post that Donald Trump posted, and a lot of people bought millions and millions of dollars of S&P 500 calls. He started looking into it, and they basically told him no, don't do it. And he quit his job and he started advocating at all the illegal stuff that's going on.
Wait, who
I'm
told
pretty
them
sure
no,
they.
don't do it?
It was an analyst. His the who's the guy that run the SEC? His boss and also I guess their president, whoever. They basically forced him not to do so, and he couldn't keep it on the low, so he quit in order to speak against him.
Huh. What's his name?
What was it? So Paul Atkins is the chairman of SEC. That's the guy that quit.
Interesting. Okay, I'll look into that. Anybody else see anything else?
I'm hold on a minute. My brain's still trying to make words. Here we go. Yeah, sharing yours and Pierre's sentiment. I just see that we have a bullish 1 hour, but then on the 15-minute, it's bearish. There's actually, I don't know if you guys cater to the unicorn model, but there is one on the 15-minute with that gap. So it seems like, and there's an SMT up there. Did you guys already say that? There's an SMT on the.
There is an
Mhm.
SMT. What's the unicorn model? What gap are you referring to on the 15-minute?
So let me get over there. So
the
basically,
A15 candle?
yeah, that one.
Okay.
So when there's that, the unicorn model is basically just a change of, or a market structure shift that leaves a gap, and then that gap becomes the entry point, targeting whatever the adjacent levels are. In this case, it would be the lows. So you do have a unicorn model on the 15-minute there. So I'd be looking for shorts also, but it's also always kind of see what you get.
Gotcha.
Ultimately. And the hourly is bullish to me.
On the hour?
Well,
Yeah.
I mean,
You looking at the 4 o'clock candle?
Let's see which
from
one.
yesterday?
3 o'clock from last night. There's a bullish gap there. But then we also have that, we're kind of up in a bearish gap from Monday's 11 o'clock candle. So we're sandwiched in there on the 1 hour.
Monday, 11 o'clock. That's the bearish candle. Yeah. All right.
I don't know if I really said anything that you guys didn't already say, but that's my 2 cents.
It's all good. You communicated greatly. Let's just see what we see.
Fine to
What are
take short.
true words? Let's just see what we see. His name was, he was a enforcement division director. His name was Margaret Ryan.
Okay.
Wow. He was a former Marine and military judge. And he just couldn't deal with the insider trading. Interesting. I thought he was just a regular analyst, but He worked high level. He might get killed soon. All right, so here's the smart SMT at open. Uh, I don't know if you guys see it, 907 high. Let's see if that holds. Mm,
Yeah. Faith was easy when my life was going smooth, when the bills were paid and I had nothing left to prove. I could quote the scripture from the songs with hands held high, but I didn't really
Give me a
know God
second.
until I
I gotta
lost
use the
Christ.
restroom.
When you're comfortable, faith is
I don't
just a
think I'm gonna miss
concept,
anything.
something nice you talk about but never really test yet. But when you're broken on the floor with nowhere left to turn, that's when faith becomes the fire that makes you crash and burn into something new, something real, something raw. Faith ain't pretty when you're desperate, clawing at God's door. I lost everything I thought to find my worth, my career, my relationship, my sense of purpose on this earth. And in that moment when I had nothing left to hold, I finally understood what it means to let God take control. Cause faith is different when you're broken and you're scared, when you're crying out to heaven and you're wondering if he's there. When your prayers aren't eloquent, just desperate cries for help. That's when you discover that his grace is all you felt. I learned to trust him in the darkness, not just in the light. To believe he's working even when nothing feels right. Brokenness became the doorway to a deeper kind of faith, where I stopped performing for God and just collapsed into his grace. When I had nothing left but him, that's when I found he's everything. When my strength had turned to dust, that's when I learned what it means to trust. Faith is different when you're broken, when your world is falling apart, when the pain won't stop and hope seems lost. That's when he rebuilds your heart. Faith is different when you're broken, not a theory but a lifeline thrown. When you're drowning in the deep, he's the one who brings you home. I used to judge the people who would weep during the service, thought they were too emotional performing on the surface. But now I understand that tears are prayers that words can't speak. That brokenness before the Lord is not a sign you're weak. It's the bravest thing you'll ever do, to fall before his throne, to admit you're powerless and you can't make it on your own, to surrender every piece of your shattered, fragmented soul and trust that he can take the fragments and somehow make you whole. Faith is different when you taste the rock bottom floor, when you've lost the will to fight and you can't take anymore. That's when Jesus shows up like he did for Lazarus in the grave, speaking life into dead places, proving he's mighty to save. I learned that brokenness isn't something to avoid or fear. It's the very place where God draws near. He doesn't love us more when we have it all together. He loves us most when we're broken, and his love lasts forever. So I stopped trying to hide my cracks and scars, stop pretending I'm strong enough to reach the stars. I brought my brokenness before the throne of grace and found that in my weakness, that's where I see his face. He doesn't fix us like we're objects that are flawed. He redeems us, makes us new. That's the nature of our God. So every broken piece of me became a place for him to dwell. And my testimony now is stronger cause I walked through hell. They say he makes beauty from ashes, but you gotta burn first to understand. They say he binds up the broken hearted, but you gotta break before you feel his hand. And I broke, yeah, I shattered into pieces, but he didn't leave me on the ground. He knelt down in the wreckage with me. That's where my savior was found. Not in the highlight reel moments, not in the victories I achieved, but in the pit of my despair. That's where I truly believe. Cause faith
wow.
is different when it's all you
Apex
got,
doesn't
when
even
you're laying
have
by the
a
bed and giving up your every
support
thought to the God who sees you
area.
in your most broken state and loves you there and
Never
meets you
again.
there and says just wait. Faith is different when you're broken, when your world is falling apart, when the pain won't stop and hope seems lost. That's when he rebuilds your heart. Faith is
Say support. What do you mean?
not a theory but a lifeline.
Like on their website, they don't have a dedicated section for support. You have to submit a ticket, which could take days.
Hmm.
Okay.
For what it's worth, they have usually gotten back to me same day.
Yeah, it's all right. Never again. Yeah, that one time experience. I wouldn't even trade them if they were giving me a free account, to be honest with you. I'm satisfied with what I've experienced. All right.
I walk into the gym at 5 a.m. when it's still dark. Heavy bar across my shoulders, heavy burdens on my heart. But I feel a presence with me that's stronger than the weight. Like there's someone spotting me through every rep I make. They say Jesus walked on water, well he walks here on this floor. Right beside me when I'm pushing through that one rep more. When my muscles start to fail and my body wants to quit, I hear his voice say, I got you, don't you dare submit. See, the gym became my temple where I worship through the pain. Where I learned that transformation comes through what you can sustain. Every sense of sermon, every drop of sweat's a prayer. And Jesus is my training partner, always meeting me there. He teaches me that strength is not just physical, it's mental.
All right, I'm back.
I'm gonna wait till it gets above 500. Definitely
And are you gonna
look to
short?
short from there. Not even. Okay, just did. I'm gonna see a rejection. Looking at the 815 gap. I won't short if ES takes out London highs though.
Share your screen.
No, let me do that now. Yep, just took out London highs. There was a 1 hour BC within London's range that I completely missed. That price came from at 8 a.m.
What time was
I
it?
think it's the 1 hour gap is the
3 a.m.?
3 a.m. candle.
Oh, Doc said that. That's what Doc was talking about.
I completely missed that. Sorry. On that retest, there was also SMT at the 8 a.m. week low. Good stuff, Doc. I missed that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, if I saw that, I would have said, forget all sell biases. I mean, missed the first entry. The first entry was at 933. That sucks.
Not a physical weapon, but the weapon of my will. To do the hard things, to keep climbing up the hill. To push past comfort zones and limitations in my head. And to rise up every morning like he rose up from the dead. So I train with intention, I train with a purpose clear. To be ready for the battles, to walk forward without fear. To be strong for those who need me to endure until the end. And Jesus walked beside me like my coach and my friend. Jesus walks in my gym, he's my spotter and my guide. When the weight gets too heavy, he's standing by my side. Every push up, every pull up, every mile that I run. He's reminding me that victory's all.
Do you have the new week opening gap that is rejecting right now, Charles? You have that in your chart?
Yes.
The sin of it is 521.
Yeah.
Okay. I
They
would
got-
look for it to trade above that and then come to retest the midpoint. If that happens, that would be my area for buy continuation.
Every mark tells a story. Every wound carries glory. Let me show you mine. I used to hide these scars like they were marks of shame, covered up the evidence of every loss and every pain. But then I met the
What did you say? For by continuation?
Basically for price to close above 525.
So you're in a buy now?
No,
I'm
the
confused.
price was to close above 525 and come back to retest 525. That's what I would use as a buy continuation.
Okay. I'm waiting. Let's see. If you're believing in buys, why not be in a buy right now?
Because I missed the first one. The first one was at 933.
What about the 939?
That's no, it's not really how I trade personally. The
Okay.
second leg to me would have to be from an order block, which it didn't touch, which is a 932 and 933 candle. I would have bought from inside of that, but it came close to it. It didn't.
Okay. DXY is bullish right now. Senior talked that all today?
Yeah, I'm still trying to wake up.
None that I heard.
He just said he's trying to wake up. You sound like you in a basement.
Actually did a sell earlier, but before I measured up, I take
Talking about before you came on?
no, just now. This thing has gone up into my 75% of my up move. And I took a sell, but I set my take profit to top. I mean, not sorry, my take my stop loss.
I don't know about anybody else, but I can barely hear you.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm trying to.
I know it's a
did a s-
Jamaican because you went from early to just now. He said he sold earlier. And I said, when? Before market open? He said, just now.
Well,
I said, that's a Jamaican talking.
938 in that candle.
Are you? Wait, is it just me, guys? Am I tripping? Or are you guys having a hard time hearing him?
It's a hard
Can't
time.
hear
He's
him very
far
well.
away.
Oh, I'm talking too low. Let me see if I can turn this thing up.
Are you in bed?
No, I'm in front of the computer.
Oh, you just sound like you're far away. That's all. I can hear him though. Just,
Yeah, I did a sell the 75% of the up move.
on the 938 candle, you said?
Yeah,
That's the high of the session so far.
yeah, I took a sell from there. But
Nice.
I trailed my stop loss too tight.
And it gave me one to 1.5, and I didn't. Everything's just slow this morning. I didn't set my take profit in time and all of that. So I set another limit, but I set it too late, and it ran away from me.
Thinking about selling at 24,480.
Inside of 5-minute bullish gap, the first one of the day. I don't think it's gonna hold, but just throwing it out there.
A bullish gap means you should be buying, right?
Yes.
Usually, yes. Well, not usually, yes. That's literally what it is. But I'm looking for it to fail, so that would support selling.
Okay.
Take profit should have been right about here too, but yeah, whatever. So I gotta go back to bed.
Okay. Thinking about that Stewie meme, where he went to bed and he started crying. I don't know if anybody saw that.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, that's about to be a dad.
Think I'm gonna have a sell limit at 480. What you think?
Man, I'm pissed. I was too slow with the re-entry, and it hit my target. Oh well.
I'm looking at that sell also.
My
I'm
problem
just
is my
hoping I
entry
can
was
get
way
a
back.
comeback.
My entry should have been back around
All right.
520.
I got a sell limit at 24,480 and a stop loss at 505. Let's see if it gets there. It might just continue because it really doesn't have to come back. But if I get a continuation, I'll do something else. See if we get a pop-up. Sorry, senior, I had to say out what I was putting in there. Yeah, I really like the
When-
sales. I
when
just
would-
need to pop up. Sorry?
When would you cancel it? Would it cancel it when it breaks to 425?
You talking to me?
Yeah. You set the sell limit at 480. But
Yeah,
I'm
24,
asking when-
480. If it goes down to 425, will I cancel it? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'll just look for another setup continuation.
Okay, fully invalidated the 5-minute gap. Those are looking fantastic, guys. I'm not in it, but it's looking really good.
Let's go. I wake up to the sound of a world that's screaming loud, city chaos, people rushing, everybody in the crowd. But I put these headphones on and suddenly I'm found. You whisper in the bass line, it's the holiest sound. I'm running through these streets with your presence in my chest. Every step I take, I know that I am blessed. The devil throwing punches, but I'm covered and I'm pressing to your purpose, to your promise. I won't settle for less. They said I couldn't.
Slight SMT here on ES. Oh, never mind. Alright, so cancel that.
Okay.
Oh well.
If it comes back up to 450, I would sell that. It's still above midnight, so it's at a discount.
I wouldn't even look for it to come back up. Well, from how I look at it, I look for it to break the lows there.
Mm-hmm.
Then
Yeah, I wouldn't want it to
finish.
come all the way up now, but I do want some kind of retracement. Jesus Christ.
The only move I would want to take after this is if it comes back up into. There's a zone that I'm drawing between the 830 low and the 939 high. There's if it goes up at least 50% of that, then I would entertain that thought.
I just switched to the 5 minute. It's a little clearer for me there. So anywhere in 425 and above, it's a pretty good entry in my book.
Might get that institutional order flow entry drill, comes up to 420 and then just drop.
This is true. I just prefer 425 because that's the bottom of the breaker, but that's only 5 points, so get it out for 20 if we get it.
I don't like is it just swept the low. Did it even take the low?
I really like 420 now. Come on,
Okay,
bruh.
there we go.
Give me one. Give me one retracement.
Why would it do that for you?
Because it's me.
It don't owe you that.
It's taken so much
It's
money
still
from me in the past few years. Let me just get something.
alright. It's still above midnight. It's all good, man. As long as you get in above midnight on a sell, you're coasting.
Yeah, I like a nice move. I got a sell limit at 24,420. Stop loss at 24,554. See if I get it.
Weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Matthew 11:28. I showed up tired. Jesus met me faithful.
Yeah.
When I had nothing left to give, but showed up. Anyway, empty hands is off the heart. But present, that's when his faithfulness met my weariness halfway. I dragged myself to worship with a heart that felt like stone. Too tired to lift my hands, too drained to sing along. The weak had beaten me down, let me spiritually know. If something said to show up,
You're gonna go down without me.
I sat in the back row with nothing
Give me a run up.
praise, just Jesus, I'm here. That's all I had to say.
Don't worry, bro. You'll get it.
Hey, if I don't get
Much
it, I ain't
later
worrying
than
about it.
much later than you wanted.
Yeah. Yeah. Did Trader Bay do an update?
Mhm.
It now
But
shows
one of
what
them,
you would lose on there.
so I was gonna
Nice.
say if one of them took out London lows without a U test, I'll be pissed. But what option is that, Joe?
Huh?
What option is that? What are you talking about? How does it go with?
You know, in Tradeovate, when you set your stop loss, you have um, it's a
Bracket
buy
order?
limit instead, or
Mm-hmm.
buy stop.
Mm-hmm.
It's now a stop loss, just like
Really?
yeah. Now, usually when you just hit trade, it shows it to you, but then when you confirm it, it actually goes into a buy stop. But now it's actually showing stop loss. It's yellow instead of blue.
Does it, when you drag it, does it also do that?
No, you still have to set it, but when I set the limit, it's a stop loss.
No, no, I get that, but I'm saying after the stop loss is already set, when you drag it, does the amount change along with that?
Oh yeah,
Sweet. Finally, it took a long enough.
they must have just like did that change like today or yesterday because it wasn't there yesterday.
So NQ swept the 8 o'clock hour candle. ES did not. And there's an SMT there at the moment.
Yep, that's also the 830 lows. Great eyes.
Hopefully that creates the up move to hit my limit order. We're going down.
Still looking for a short in this.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah. Absolutely.
DXY is dropping. So
Where's your limit?
24,420. And stop loss is at 24,455.
I'll continue looking for short until ES took out London lows.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. The same thing. I'm like, give me a retracement before I take out London lows.
Mhm.
I mean, if you really
You said
want to
you
be, you can sell now with like maybe one contract and then add more if it go to 420. But I don't want to do that.
so how
I'd
you
rather
tell me to
miss
do
it.
that if you don't want to do that?
No,
Don't
because
do that.
I'm just saying like, well, I'm telling you not to do that because you're not gonna listen. You're gonna go in there with like 4 contracts, and then and then try to
No,
add
I'm not
more
gonna go with
420.
pause.
No, I'm just saying that's one way of doing it. Like when you, so you know how Nieps get in, they like as soon as it touches that fair value gap. I don't do that. I usually have a midpoint or specific price. So sometimes I miss the trade because of that. And in cases like that, that's where I'd be like, okay, well, it'd be good to get in with one and then get in later. So sometimes I miss trades because of that. So if this goes down, like it's doing now, you could have been in that trade with a small contract, just in case.
Nah, I'd rather not. I'd rather miss the trade than to chase it.
Okay.
It's coming back.
Nah. It look like it's going. Look at ES.
Hmm. And that's the SMT on the 1 minute too. Whoops.
SMT on the bottom.
Uh, no, there's a small SMT on the 1 minute on the top, 953 and 958.
So it's possible that it could come back to test the SMT but not break it.
Well, I don't look for SMTs to get tested, so to speak. Uh, in order, in simple, in layman terms, this just the small SMT on a 1 minute just shows that it's further supporting sales.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. All right, ES with London lows. So
I'm looking at Asia lows 6634, which it's about to get tapped. Oh, traded definitely
yesterday,
validated now.
both London lows and high were taken. That was a shitty. That was an okay day. Wasn't that bad.
Boo.
Yup. All right, previous day lows. Here we come. All right.
Let me see. Where are we?
We're hitting that 1 hour bullish gap now, so uh, it may pop out of you.
Let's see.
Let's see. Let me see what a 5 minute look like. It might give you one more leg, the 480, and then come back down.
Makes me want to buy this junk up in case it just continues running up.
Might be one more sell right
Number.
here. It's 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
480.
380.
See. Let's see if this fair value gap holds at 1059.
959.
Yeah, at 959 one.
If it doesn't hold, I'll invert that.
I'm gonna
Or
get
buy
in
one of them.
small right now. Continue. I don't want it to get above. Well, there we have it.
They got above what you were looking at.
Yeah.
Before you even finish, I sent it.
It's a crazy.
Try me.
Oh,
Try
man.
me.
Yeah.
I'm about to buy this here on demo though, guys. I'm not buying this on no account up to above 450 areas.
I want to NQ to come back down and take those lows at 320.
Yeah, but I want to ride this buy wave up first. That London low SMT is pretty strong.
Yeah, you're probably right.
But if the sales holds and it continues to sell though, don't be mad.
No, I won't be mad.
Hold on. So if London low SMT is on the bottom, right?
Yep.
That means it's more. That means now it's supporting both sides, like buys and sells.
It's supporting buys.
Oh, okay.
Sessional SMT, which means London, PM session, or Asia. Those are
Uh-huh.
the strongest SMTs in my opinion. So whenever I see those, I will blindly trade those. So although I have an overall sell bias, because that SMT happened, I can buy short term if that makes sense.
Um, I knew I
Yeah,
should have gotten that buy. But if you have, but you still have SMT up top.
I do. So the overall bigger bias, meaning long term, is sells, right? But I can get in a small buy trade for like 30, 40 points. And then when it gets to a discount area
And you
where I
sell.
initially wanted to sell, yeah, then I can close the position and sell. So
Okay.
right now, I would want to hold this trade past 425.
Mhm. And then you wanna start selling at 460.
That's a bit too high. Oh crap! A 5 minute gap was retested, guys, for the sell. I don't know if you guys
Alright.
also
I just saw
going
that.
through the
Yes,
5 minutes.
yep.
Okay.
You're selling the 5 minute gap.
I'm not. I'm still holding a buy because I still have conviction that it's gonna reach above 420.
So you want to sell at 420.
Anywhere above 420, yes. Because we are working with
And
multiple gaps.
I'll put my sell limit back at the 420.
I still think it's gonna reach it.
If it doesn't
Is it
reach it,
big
I'm gonna
risk?
be pissed. Let's see.
Your stop loss is a big risk, right?
Me?
I think your stop loss was like 30 points, 35 points.
Are you talking to me?
Yes.
Yes.
But
Yeah.
also talking to Neps too, because Neps is targeting that 420 as well.
Well, he's targeting the 420. I'm just gonna wait for it to get there and get in that sell. I'm in it now,
There we
and
go.
let's hope it doesn't take me out. My stop loss is at
Now I
455.
can reverse the position. Boom.
If it takes me out, I'm gonna wait till like PM session and see what happens from there.
I reverse the buys. It's at the breaker.
I'm actually looking for a sell myself, but
You looking?
yeah, but my zone for a sell is 460. It's
465.
Yeah, 468 thereabouts. Between, so 50% of the move is for me is 450, and I think it's my. I don't know. I'm not sure I might get 75% on this one, so I wouldn't mind 61, 62%, 61.8,
Okay.
and that's around 463. So let's see.
Well, 420 was the sell. Good luck with the 70%. I hope you don't get it.
I hope you
I'm
don't get it
fine.
neither.
No, for your sake, I hope I don't either.
But that's only because I'm in it.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. For your sake, I hope I don't.
Oh my gosh.
And then this one
Oh,
too.
did you
at
get it at 420?
423.
Yeah, I got it at 423.
Ah, sweet. Everybody's in. So I have the worst entry at 421.
Just
about
hope
2
it
points, yeah.
continues down.
But Trump had a
Oh,
420 though.
That was crap.
Yeah. I'm still gonna hold it.
I just got popped out.
Don't give it to me. Don't give it to me.
He's secretly saying, "Give it to me, give it to me."
No. I don't want you guys to.
If you were you, if I were you, I'd be rooting for you.
No,
But because I'm not you, I'm rooting for me.
I'm rooting for all of us to win. I don't think it's gonna take the. I don't think it would have taken the low necessarily,
Hmm.
but so you can get a little something out of it before it comes back for my plate.
Yeah.
ES is looking nice.
Is that a SMT too? A 1006
Mhm.
candle look like? That
Mm-hmm.
would be nice.
If NQ makes another high, I'm adding on to the position. And today, as of today, I'm definitely getting out at the lows. Because yesterday was heartbreaking.
Oh yeah, that does happen.
Man, it was up what, like 87 points? Was it 87 or 77 points?
Yeah, it was a lot. I know we were, it was like $400, but with only 3 contracts.
Mm-hmm. And seeing you crying in the background, boy.
Mhm.
You guys still in this?
Yep.
Yeah, my stop loss
Doing
at
it, yeah.
455. If it takes me out, I'll
many
probably be
contracts?
done for the day. Huh?
Well,
The
there ain't no
contracts
reason.
are good.
There ain't no reason for me to pay for an entry if I'm not in the trade.
Nah, I was just joking.
How much you guys doing?
That's the way to cope with it going against us. How many contracts you get in?
Oh, I'm in with 5. I don't know about you.
I got it with 3.
That's
Sounds
good.
good. That's good.
Because if you're in at 23, looking to get out at
320 the partial.
323, so that's a 100-point move. So that would be $600.
Oh, okay, good. I calculated the risk. It was $200. I think it was $250 risk,
Mhm.
and went off of that. But I didn't calculate the potential profit.
There you go. That's a better way to do it.
But one thing I'm looking at too is the crap. It crashed. 1 second.
If it has to do with buying, stop looking at it.
Oh no, it was a selling. I like the 426 area
Okay.
because that a lot of the times I see it.
Well, it went
go
up
back
it went up to it twice.
Exactly. That's why I like that as a sell area.
Are you in it?
No, that's not my
Alright.
pick.
That's okay.
But I like it for you guys.
If this sale don't go through, this is my last day streaming. The market makers are looking at me.
You can't be catching so many L's on stream, huh?
Well, I feel like the market makers gonna be looking, man. They're looking at all the people streaming. Some kind of
You gotta-
minority report kind of thing. So they can see
You
everybody.
gotta protect your win percentage.
You right?
Alright. Add 3 more contracts here.
Man, we thinking the same thing.
I'm in with 8 now.
Jesus.
I just lost my stupid.
I love it.
62% is 47. Should have held on to them buys, man. Ultra's fault.
I take the blame.
I'll be back. I got to reboot something. My thing crashed. My trading view crashed, and I don't know. I'll be back.
All right. Come on. Let's not be a L. Just drop.
I mean, got in the buy and he stepped away.
This is not looking good.
It nicked the 62% and also the order block that at 945. I should put my stop loss above the wick, which is 67.
Come on, come down, come down.
And that body's gonna hold. Don't worry about it.
Well, we'll see. It's been done before.
Just blame you by default.
Body hold means add another one.
Nah,
That's what I heard.
that-
That's exactly what it means, bro. You gotta trust the systems.
That's funny.
Let's see, 8 contracts for 100 points. That's what 16 times 100, $1,600. That would be a good trade.
Only thing I thought about is should I have moved my stop loss to like 466, but I'm not gonna do that.
It's still at 455.
455.50, yeah.
Okay. He's testing it again.
Cooked.
Yep. Cooked. All right, that is 2 L's for the day.
Bum, 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 bum. London low, boy.
I'm gonna be pissed if it just goes my way now.
They could at least show a 475 and then drop.
I low key wanna tap back in.
I, in my limited expertise, I don't think that's a bad idea.
You don't think that's a
oh,
bad idea?
No, if you believe the setup is still there, it's just that the range was tight.
I think the setup is still there.
But look at the stop loss was if we got in at 50% and the stop loss was lower than 62. You get what I'm saying? Like why
Yeah.
was stop? Oh, I'm yeah. As opposed to getting in at like 70%.
I must start a hashtag blame trail.
You said what? Blame trail?
I must start a hashtag.
That was a hashtag already for me. For football, I think.
Sounds like something Vlad would do.
Mm-hmm.
It would be diabolical that it goes up to the first gap.
Yeah, that's what it look like it's about to do.
Yeah, 936 bullish gap. If it goes up to invert that, boy, I'll be sick. Because that's a balanced price range in that area. I'm gonna draw it up just for fun.
Ooh. Oh, yeah. So it did end up popping out of that 1 hour bullish fair value gap after all.
Yup. Tell them don't doubt you, Mango.
What's that?
Tell them boys don't doubt you.
Well, some days it's good, some days, like yesterday, I just was not seeing the charts correctly at all.
Oh, 1 hour looks nasty.
Been a bearish 15-minute gap on both.
Man, I feel like that thing is just gonna drop without us out of nowhere. Yes, retested perfectly. It's about to.
God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind. Second, Timothy 1. Faith said, watch me. Faith said, watch me.
Yeah. Just gotta be patient and wait for something that's clear.
Does it make sense to sell at 475?
This is 70% retracement from the previous day's high. I mean, from the
It does make sense.
high.
Yes, I would do it.
You would sell from here?
Yep.
It's not at 50%. Oh, there we go.
Gonna wait
Fast.
for
Senior's back.
confirmation.
No, my
Senior,
jump crashed. I can't even sign back into it. Into my
it's in
trading.
your area, senior.
What's that?
It's in your area that you called before you left.
Yeah.
All right. This is the market open gap, right?
Hmm. Did you get in call?
Yeah.
75 exactly.
I'm gonna give this a
76
short.
actually.
Good stuff.
I'm in right now, but I really don't. I don't even want it to get to the 90s. Like I want it to just come down.
I'm with you there.
Yeah. Any small spike, I'm gonna just chill.
I was thinking the same thing.
Draw it up for you guys.
All right.
What's
Got it.
wild is that the stop loss should be at 523, man. But that was so wide.
Oh, what are you guys doing? Buys or sells?
Sell,
So
sell, sell.
Okay.
We praying about it though. Cause we really could be wrong. DXY going down. I don't like that. Come on, DXY. DXY hit a 15-minute bullish gap, hoping it turns around. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. This is not good.
Yeah,
I'm out of
5
it.
minute and 15-minute looks very bullish.
Oh man,
I'm out of
it gave me my 70%.
It don't look bullish at all, and it is 70% too.
we want it to look bearish, don't we?
Yeah, I think it still is. It's just I need confirmation at this point.
All right, let's see what's holding up.